One of my favorite parts of the holiday season is to decorate my table. A few years ago, I got into tablescaping and I really enjoy it. This year, we put together a tablescape that I brought in elements of traditional as well as a little bit of casual into my tablescape, and I think we came up with something fantastic. I'm Amy, and I am on a mission to learn how to cook. If you would like to join me, hit the subscribe button below. Now, let's take a look at my tablescape for 2018. So here is our Christmas tablescape for 2018. So I used a combination of new items that I've had from my last tablescape and for Thanksgiving, and I also use a bunch of stuff that I basically had in my collection. So my place setting starts out with the Dollar Tree charger. I then am using basic white plates. And I also have this sort of salad plate that I got from Pier 1. I have a napkin, and I have these napkin rings that I've had for years. I actually used them in a tablescape several years ago. The glasses I paid 60 or 80 cents a piece for at the Fortessa outlet store. I got a really great deal on Black Friday on those. So here's another place setting and a glimpse of our centerpiece. I had these twinkle lights. I've had these for a long time. They're from Amazon. I picked up these little salt and pepper shakers this year from Pier 1. They were actually 50% off, so I think I paid about $5 for them. And I picked these deer also up at Pier 1. They were having a 50% off sale, so I paid about $7 a piece for those. These are lights from the Dollar Tree. They're battery operated candles. So I used this board that I actually use for photography. I wanted Eric to make me a board and we would have to stain it, and then he was like, let's just use those. So it worked out perfectly. So the candlesticks came from Michael's. They were 70% off, so I think I paid about $5 a piece for them. The little metal Merry Christmas candle holders in the middle I got at Pier 1, and they were 50% off. I think I paid $3.50 a piece. This is the gold flatware. I've had this for probably 15 years. I use it all the time. So I just stuck a bunch of various greenery. All these mini cranberries, those are from the Dollar Tree. These are sprigs from both the Dollar Tree and Michael's. I would say 80% of them are from the Dollar Tree. A couple of them were from Michael's. And there's the little deer. I thought those deers were so cute and they were a bargain. So again, these little lights and these little the greenery, a lot of them are from the dollar store. I basically cut them up and stuck them in there. These have dollar store battery operated candles in there as well.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from both of us. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I hope you have your tablescape ready for Christmas. And I really, really hope you have a nice one. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching all this time and supporting us. And we have a big celebration coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'll keep you posted on that, and I cannot wait. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tablescape for Christmas 2018. Merry Christmas and Happy